Good morning, dear student. My name is Dr. B. Sridhar. I am political science lecturer. Today my topic major regional political parties in India. Now total is also identified by Indian Election Commission 14 parties of the major regional political parties. But our based on the study in our course and conduct course and our UGC level, 7 parties is also identified in recently 2021 in the parties of regional parties. First party Telangana Rashtra Samiti 2001, establishment of the TRS and founder of the KCR Kalakutti Chandrasekhar Rao. After next party Telugu Desam Party TDP, established of the 1982, NT Ramarao the founder this party. And next party Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam is party of the in Tamil Nadu. In May party founder E.V. Ramaswamy Nayakar founder. Fourth party Shiva Sena Party SSP 1966, Bal Thackeray in the founder and founder of this party. Now this party is also established in the purpose of main caste, religion, gender and the separate of the state development of the economical purpose. Now this party is also very important role in the present scenario in national parties against of the in regional parties. First party Telangana Rashtra Samiti party. Now why the party of the establishment of Telangana TRS party in the establishment of the Telangana state? In the separate state, in the separate education system and irrigation and the water, in the separate of the water, in the employment. This base is also in establishment of the TRS party. Founder of the Kalakutti Chandrasekhar Rao, the informal chief minister. This party is also made in the policies and the implementation of the policies in the previous in the last year in Kalyana Lakshmi and Shadi Mubarak, the benefit of the in middle class and poor people. This base is also in so many policies also introduced of the in TRS party. This party main is also exception of the in employment and the education and separate of the territorial of the state. The separate state in the identify the culture, traditional and the languages. This is main important of the this base is also in form of the Telangana Rashtra Samiti party. Next party TDP party, Telugu Desam party. This party is founded as N.T. Ramarao, the former film actor in Andhra Pradesh, giant of the Telangana 1982. In N.T. Ramarao, in the main concept of the in establishment of the party in the no identify of the language and the culture and the traditional in the Andhra Pradesh. This base is also this party establishment of the Nandamuri Talaka Ramarao, the former chief minister in the expired chief minister. Its main is also an identify of the regional party in India. So many regional parties is also in India established, but this party is also against of the in national party, Indian National Congress. That time is also in Nehru and Indira Gandhi. That time is also this party is also heavy is also in tough is also elections in the regional level in the Andhra Pradesh. That time is also N.T. Ramarao 1982, 1979, 1980. This time is also N.T. Ramarao in full majority of the party. Full majority of the party. And this party is also made policies the 2 rupees of the in rice and the water of the free water of the agriculture. And next is also so many benefits is also in that time in the Andhra Pradesh in regional party establishment of the Andhra Pradesh. And next party in the Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam DMK party. This party is also founder. This party established in the 1916. This party elaborate in founder E.V. Ramaswamy Nayak. E.V. Ramaswamy Nayak is main concept of the Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, the separate state and separate is also language and separate identify of the in state. This base is also in Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam party in the establishment of the in Tamil Nadu state. In the Tamil Nadu state is main is also Aryas and Dravidas. In the two communities is also war of the in Tamil Nadu, Aryas and Dravidas. In Aryas Dravidas that time is also Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam party established in the E.V. Ramaswamy Nayakar. This is also party is also very strong and the utilize of the in Dravidas and the benefit of the Dravidas and the same time is also this policies is also good policies in the separate identifier of the language in the Tamil language, and the same time is also the free electricity in the agriculture, and the education of the youth, and the beneficial of the free of the women in the also 1 lakh rupee to 2 lakhs rupees in the free in the bank loans. This is very in the very is also good policies and also implementation by the D.V. Ramaswamy, the Dravida Munduga Kadakam party 1916. After is also his party Shiva Sena party in 1966, the oldest party in India. The same time is also Dravida Munduga Kadakam party to 1916. After 1966 is also one of the oldest in the regional parties in India, Shiva Sena party. Bal Thackeray is the founder in the Maharashtra. The main Maharashtra concept is also in separate of the Maharashtrians in the language, culture, traditional, and the dress code. And the same time language also. The Maharashtra is also main in the philosophy Maratha. In the language is also Maratha. In the spread of the Karnataka and Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, this state is also in is spread of the Marathis and the Maharashtrians people. And this Shiva Sena, this party, Bal Thackeray, the founder and chairman. This party is also made its own language, in the own language identified in state level and the national level, in the Marathi, and the Marathi schools of the established in the Maharashtra, and so many schools and colleges and the universities also established of the Bal Thackeray. In the 1947 after independence, in the 1952, Baba Saheb Ambedkar, that time is also in Baba Saheb Ambedkar is also one proposal in the university of the in Maharashtrian place. That time is also is supporting of the Bal Thackeray. Bal Thackeray is also in establishing the university SC, ST, BC minorities, and the same time university of the introduced in the established the university of the in Marathi university, and the Marathi university only for the in Marathi peoples, only Marathi people in the only Maratha state in the Maharashtrians. This is also main party is the oldest party and is regional party in India. Now 4 parties in India, in my dear student, these 4 parties are also you write up in examination point of view. But you write the first of all the introduction and the meaning, what the meaning of the regional parties in India, and same time what the main policies in the useful of the peoples and the middle class and weaker section, what the policies of the important of the policies in the manifesto of the policies of the in regional parties, that is main you are also identified. And manifesto is also very important of the regional parties. Manifesto and the leader, who is the leader and the founder of the chairman in the regional party, that is also main important. You are also identified the who is the founder and the who is the also in lead of the in party, regional party. Now that time is also Indira Rao, and next to Bal Thackeray, an example, Bal Thackeray and D.V. Ramaswamy, and so many in the Tamil Nadu in the after 1960-1970. Jayalalitha is also one of the identified of the charisma in person in the Indira Rao. Now present is also recently scenario in the regional parties in India. The so many is the benefit of the in state level in the identify and the separate of the caste, regional, gender, and the in territorial identify. This is also very important. This is very important topic of the in now today. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you.